Hello guys, good morning everyone. How are you today? It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday everyone. Background music. Why it was off? Gold delivered. Oh yeah. Gold looks good. For continuation lower still. I will announce winners at 11 today. 11 a.m. Good morning guys, good morning. Alright, how are you guys? How was your morning so far? How was yesterday? Why so dressed up? Not truly, by the way. See? Like, not truly. Just jeans. And this one. You like it? I like it. I remember when I was a kid, my grandmother knitted this, so it was so good. It just stopped. I closed my short only it was like at 1 a.m. today. Also way too early. It's fine. I got like 20 points probably. Yeah. Why she was? She's still talented. Alright. Guys, you ready? I'm ready to get a nice W today. By the way, I will not steam PM session today because I need to help my husband with his work. He asked me, so it's going to take like so much time. So we're going to start at 12. We're going to finish at 5 probably. So he asked me to help with his work, so I'm going to help him. Unfortunately, I will not be able to steam PM session, but tomorrow I will. Just need to help him. Good morning, guys. Oh, it hit my target when I was sleeping as well. Come on, I entered and forgot about this. Still a teenager. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for using the code. Thank you for support. Alright guys, let's talk about daily chart on ES and NQ. And once again, we're still inside high time frame consolidation. ES just took, I call this major low, but it's not really major low, just like internal liquidity level. Major low remains still at 6,600, so it's still lower, while as you can see on NQ, it failed to take this major sell side. But considering current structure, we will go there today or tomorrow. So let's think about potential setup for today. What we can see here, let me hide my drawings to show you. Where's my demonstration tool? So as you can see, we got daily OB. Nice. Price took this sell side. We trace back up to daily order block, respected 50% of daily order block, rejected. So what happened here? It failed to take this low. We anticipate to get what? Move towards the opposite liquidity level. Failed. We want to get new order block. So it failed because we didn't get order block, right? On daily chart. We got opposite daily OB since it failed to take high here. We anticipate to get moved towards the opposite liquidity level, again, considering market structure idea, right? So we took this. Exactly the same situation is going on right now on NQ. We got daily OB. Considering current structure, oh, actually it's not OB. It's not order block yet. It's going to be OB because we got open, close. It's not order block yet. But if it's going to offer OB, guys, we will get bearish break of structure. And it will go way lower. So for today, it's important to see how we're going to close. Above sequence of up close candles, over here and over here, or below. Because if below, probably we will drop a lot this week, which we will see. Once again, daily structure still remains inside consolidation. Nothing really changed yet. It's just ugly structure. Okay, let's switch on for a chart. 1 second, quick chart review. On weekly we have sweep. We have sweep. Sweep confirmed by 4. Yeah, actually confirmed. So over here on both ES and NQ, what we have? Just trying to adapt the analysis because I have nothing on my chart. We got order block. Oh, actually I have it already. So we got 4 order block, we got 4 order block. So my idea is, if today we already traded into this 4R or B, but if today at market open price will retrace back up to this order block on 4-hour chart, once again we already tested this level, like we don't really need to retest this again if market wants to be bearish, but in case it wants to manipulate first, I would like to see we testing 50% of this OB, and then keep going lower. So we have daily volume imbalance, we have major sell side on NQ. So also 24,000 looks like good psychological level. So my plan, in case it wants to manipulate higher, as long as we're expecting 50% of our order block, I would like to see lower. That's my plan. Invalidation, break above 50% of OB, so I will start looking for shorts. Alright, gold. My favorite, gold. So I would like to see lower still. I would like to see 5050, which is daily OB. On 1-hour chart, I highlighted hourly fair value gap, untapped fair value gap. My idea is, if it wants to offer manipulation up as well, I would like to see sweep of this low here, move up towards this hourly untapped fair value gap. And if it's going to offer 30-minute or hourly sweep, I will short. Important to get sweep. Potential sweep. Makes sense? We're gonna see. Oops, not like this. Oops. So guys, what do you think about my idea on indices and on gold? Euro futures we're gonna check. Ooh, look at this drop. So right now we're at my last key level. So we took flat candle, major low deal demand here since we set market maker sell model. I'm gonna delete this one. So maybe I'm gonna watch reaction back to this fair value gap and continuation lower to take sell side. It's nice market maker sell model right now. It's Euro futures, guys, in case you didn't know. It's gonna be exactly the same as your Euro pair, like Forex pair, right? But it's Euro futures. Price might be a little bit different. So also we have our flat candle here, so maybe this scenario, guys. Let's check the XY. The XY decided to go just straight up. It's nice, I mean, no complaints. I would like to see the XY higher. We should take this high here. Major high. At this point, what can happen? Maybe, you know, like recently on the XY, I don't see lots of retracements. Maybe. Hello guys, good morning. So what do you think about the XY and Euro futures? It's for Euro, here's for the XY. Yeah, for H-full, yeah, I need to log in first. I will show you. For our sell side liquidity get version now buy side and play on gold. Which buy side? Liquidity. This one, previous daily high. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Well, I mean, totally possible. We're gonna see it just for now. I know, like, kind of hard to believe. Probably. For now, I anticipate to get retracement up as well, but back to 52.40, 52.30. So we will see. Okay, why I'm talking? Once again, I don't know. I cannot see the future. It's my possible scenario which can play out, or maybe it's going to fail. We're going to react what markets give us in real time, right? Not like right now. It's our plan right now. It's not even trade idea. This is what we want to see, but in reality, we have no idea how we're going to respect this hourly fair value gap. Straight down, or just we're going to go through this fair value gap. I don't know. We will see. At the same time, silver looks kind of strong right now. Which makes me feel like, you know, yeah, definitely we have SMT right now, but I would try to see the retracement up on silver to continue going lower. Once again, everything can change because we cannot see the future. We're going to react accordingly. But once again, it's our plan for now, my plan at least. It's for indices. Guys, any other questions? Here's our major low over here. On Q over here, I already explained. So basically test to 50% of our order block. And if it's going to stay below this level, I would say between 25 and 50% of this for our OB, I will look for shorts. Continuation lower. That's my plan. Hourly flat candle. Yeah. Not really flat candle. Seems like we got like minor Vixie. But still, yes, agree with you. Really weak manipulation. No. I just want to use the XY to confirm my entry on Euro futures in case we're going to get this. It's just as additional confirmation. I'm not sure if I can trade the XY on futures prop firms. Probably no. It's just plan. Okay guys, I shared my plan. Share your idea with me. So, first question, what do you expect to get on gold? What did I miss? Tell me, because I actually could miss something. It's... just point me. I'm going to open edge full right now. What did I miss on gold? Previous week. I don't have this level on my chart? For some reason, yes, I don't have it. What else should I add? Oh, we actually took this. Okay, in Q... 1 year data. 1 year data. Okay, loading my edge full. Gold long to 238. Oh yeah, I mean, I like it. 238, 235. Agree with this level. Come on. Okay, let's talk about indices right now. I just got my data on edge full. What do you think about indices? Where's my New York midnight open? Oh, I see, got it. Okay, let's talk about data. So, sorry guys, let me drink. I started drinking coffee again with milk. Sorry guys. So that's for NQ. Data range 1 year, so technically 12 months. And according to the statistic, today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday? Just to make sure. Yeah, Tuesday. If NQ is going to open below New York midnight open, we have 81% chance to go there, to New York midnight open. If we're going to open above New York midnight open, we have 64% chance to go to New York midnight open. According to our chart, we probably going to open below this level, and which probably aligns with idea to go to 50% of our order block, because look at this, it's not coincident how New York midnight open right at 50% of our OB. It's not coincident. Well, let's check. That's for, yes, Also 12 months data. If you're going to open below this level, we have 86% chance to go to New York midnight open. If you're going to open above this level, 75. But let's do 6 months. Well, that's kind of interesting. Chance even bigger. 80% chance to go to New York midnight open today, after market open. I mean, you know, when I see 80% chance, it looks like it's guaranteed target, right? But I always wondering, like, if it's like just against the trend, current trend, does it make any sense to go there? Because trusting only data probably a bit risky. But since it really lines up with 50% of our order block, we may actually try to long to New York midnight open today. So what do you think about New York midnight open, guys? We just check 12 months data. We can actually do more, but let's just for fun. For fun, let's do 2 years. Just interesting. Just interesting. Yes, exactly. You're always wondering about other 20%. It's still 20%. Okay, guys, trying to load 2 years data. It takes some time. Just interesting. I never tried 2 years. It's for New York midnight open. I mean, 77% chance to go to New York midnight open according to 2 years data. Well, probably, guys, we're gonna long today. Let's think about like what other 20%. Like technically other 20% can be any important news such as war or something like that. Another reason can be probably if it was like huge sell-off or move higher during pre-market. Can it be reason as well? I think so. But guys, we will see. It's edgeful, guys, edgeful. Edgeful. Let's see if I can offer you any discount for this, because I don't know. I'm gonna find out if I can offer you any discount. But I use Edgeful, guys. Yeah, I bought this, so I pay for this. Yes. So let's talk about like one potential long idea. Maybe it will offer Judas swing, and we can try to like move down to long. Maybe we'll see pre-market low. I kind of like idea of sweep and reversal. Once again, not reversal, retracement back to New York midnight open. How many points we can get, guys? Like, let's imagine we swept. Like, what can happen? We can just drop here. Another 50 points to daily volume imbalance and reject to New York. 120 points, that's a lot. Or it's going to sweep. We'll offer 3-minute, 5-minute OP. And at this point, we can get... Well, we need 20 points. I'm on. Like, I mean... So we will see. We have data right now. We have a 4-hour OB. We will see. Guys, what do you think about New York midnight open? Let's forget about data we have. Like, what do you think about New York midnight open? Considering current structure, is it possible to get this? I mean, I don't really care if I need to trade Euro futures gold or yes today. But on yes, oh, by the way. On ESNQ we have data, but we can add this data for gold. Because I believe gold way below New York Midnight Open right now. Let's try to see for gold. By weekday. Okay. See? I believe according to overall data, like New York Midnight Open on gold, not that important. And we're going to open below this level, we have 43% chance to go there and 57% chance it will not retrace there. Which probably I agree, guys. So we're going to open way below this level. That's why, once again, it means nothing. But considering current structure... I'm not frozen, I was typing the message. I would rather probably to see sweep here. Move toward this early for a ball gap and continuation. Maybe I'm wrong. Just too heavy, like right now silver and gold too heavy to long this. Overall data is not like your main confirmation. Okay, let's say I'm bearish. I see, for example, not for current today, for current price action, for today price action. Overall, let's say I'm bearish. I don't want to see retracement to New York Midnight Open, and data tells me we have almost 60% chance we will not go there. Like additional confirmations that probably yes, I'm right. Probably will not go there. It's wartime, I know, but still. Yeah, Daniel, probably yes. Probably yes. So what we want to see? We want to see sweep of this low. I would like to see it today or tomorrow. I just don't know how much time it's going to take. 5050 daily OB. I can make this level even like bigger so everyone can see this, and let's make this shred because it's key level right now. You sing, I mean, I'm not perfect singer, unfortunately. Maybe one day it will be better, but probably no. So probably this and lower. That's textbook scenario for me. We'll see. We will see, guys. At least we're going here to sweep this hourly low. I like it. But 5050, just even if it's not going to retrace, we need to get like solid short for this. 5050 is my daily or weekly objective. I know how much time it's going to take, but I would like to see this week. Oh yeah, I would like to see indices higher to New York Midnight Open. Maybe it will offer Judas swing, we will long this. If you just joined, guys, we just look at edge full statistic. We have over 80% chance to go to New York Midnight Open today. But we're thinking like in terms of current structure, if we want to see this. We want to see Judas swing, long to New York Midnight Open, and that's it. Or it's going to be Judas swing here, to volume imbalance, we're long. Just not sure how big Judas swing can be. Range is huge. Daily breaker, let me see. Over here? Oh, on gold. Okay, I see. You mean this one? Bullish or the, bullish breaker block? I kind of like order block more, because this breaker block is part of consolidation. But this was the very last move done before reversal. Like, technically makes sense to go like 5,000. Okay, if ignoring like body, at least 5,074. Yeah, I mean, I got it, but still. I don't know. I would like to see lower than 5,100. Definitely can be wrong, but that's how I see this so far. Like overall, preferably to retrace to hourly fair value gap. We will short down. It will be way better structure. But as you know, guys, we trade only one model on gold. If it's going to be presented for long after sweep, we can give it a try to long, to hourly fair value gap, and look for shorts from there. Fair value gap. On which time frame you want to see fair value gap? Guys, love you. Thank you for likes. Yeah, technically, you're right. A New York Midnight Open is good, but here's support or resistance. That's true. Oh, yeah. Right now, like, we have nothing to short or long. Just gonna wait. We're just trying to build the bias right now to see what we want to see today. Okay. Keep New York Midnight Open on indices on your chart. Let's see if data is going to be correct today. I use this indicator calls ICT Highter from candles by Fadi. Just change the color. This is what I did. Also, I use SMT. What I'm posting right now, it's free. Is this one? Yeah, it's this one. This indicator which highlights SMT in real time. Good morning, Bella. How are you today? Miss Florida, come here. So, come here. We don't mind. Alright, it's for a chart, right? Okay. Interesting. Okay, we will see. Hello, guys. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, guys, wait. Remember, guys, yesterday during PM session, we entered just text book long on gold, and 90% of the chat, they were trying to trade me because I wanted to long, they wanted to short, and my final TP was hit right after stream because I took 2 TPs during stream, and I said I'm going to go, but I'm going to sit in this trade, and my final TP hit like in 40 minutes. So I was happy. Made like $648. Surprise us, yeah? Yeah? Guys, if you didn't watch my yesterday stream during PM session, just go on my channel and look at this perfect setup that we took on gold. Quite textbook. Do you have this on my chart, by the way? We took... Where's my drawings? I probably deleted, but we entered long yesterday over here. And we closed here, at the top, somewhere here. I don't remember how many points we actually made, but it was like good trade with no drawdown. like this kind of, it was from somewhere from here. This trade. I wanted to go long, like lower, but confirmation was here. So I entered when confirmation was presented. Yeah, but sometimes it can be wrong, so let's see. Impossible to be right 100% of the time. But I hope so, like it's going to be right today. Sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes this happens. Sometimes, like, there is a situation when I'm right with bias, but I take the trade, it stops me out and then goes to TP. Also happens. Alright. Main question if it's going to offer Judas swing. And if so, can we get like 5-minute OB to try to long? Market is going to open in 30 seconds. So we will see right now. What about SPX? They're gonna open somewhere like maybe here. I don't know, we will see. It's going to be a big gap. Somewhere inside this range probably. Let's see where we're going to open. Hey, where we opened. Market is open. Where's SPX? Come on. Yeah, close to this level. So Judas swing makes sense right now. Can we get this one? Do we have any sell side? Guys, 1 second. Probably we have solid plan on SPX as well. Okay, we have sell side. We have another sell side. Come on, give us Judas swing. Don't be shy. Open, close, and open. 2 plans. Either this plan that I drew here or this plan. Which one is going to play? I don't care. We're gonna take. Remember this NQ draw on buy side 740. I like it. We have 80% chance to go to New York midnight open, but give us a tap for this. Nothing on gold yet. %88% chance. I don't like to long. Right now. Definitely we have structure for this, which I hate so much. So, for example, let me see something. Just 1 second. It's 1.3. Garbage. Maybe on 30-minute try something better. Take the risk. Yeah, we can take the risk, but problem is we need to get set up to take the risk. First. Was it sweep here? Show me. Oh yeah, it was. Alright. At 6 a.m. 'Where's my Judas swing? Are you kidding me? 6 a.m. 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 6 a.m Not fun, not fun. Alright, market just opened. I hope it's not going to be straight up. Because, for example, I hate continuation setups that offers right at market open, like this. I hate this so much, I never take them, because continuation setup which is right at market open usually offers like low probability entry, a low probability setups. So for example, if it was like not at market open, but let's say like 11 a.m. or 1 p.m., I could take this. But right now, since I anticipated to get Judas swing, I'm not going to trust this. Near New York midnight open, we have 50% of our order block. So it can be like additional confirmation. So see the setup, I don't like it. I'm just trying to say if it wasn't market open, because I really would like to see Judas swing first. I would probably give it a try. But not right now. I hope it's going to offer Judas swing. I like Judas swing at market open so much. Because this kind of setup that offers right at market open works, I would say, 4 of 10 times. 3 of 10 times. Almost never. It's really like fake one. Most of the time. Oh yeah, come on, offer Judas swing. Looks like this scenario is going to play out. I mean, I like it. Come on, come on. Yeah, I'm just trying to say, guys, if you see setups like this as continuation setup, it's going to play out probably 3 of 10 times only. So, just an example. Like almost never. $67.59. Oh yeah, I mean somewhere there, definitely. Maybe even lower. I hope it's going to offer Judas swing, so I will try to long to New York midnight open. Something like this. Come on, drop it. Please. I mean, still there is a chance to go there. I'm just trying to say, when we don't have Judas swing, I usually consider this as low probability. I usually don't trust this. But once again, still there is a chance to go there, simply because we still want to see go higher to New York midnight open. But sometimes it's going to be like just fake move up before a real move up. So which means, like say, Judas swing, we long to New York midnight open. Or it's going to respect this level and we will go just to New York midnight open. We still have like 30% chance. So, I'm gonna wait. I'm not going to engage. I'm okay to miss this kind of setup simply because it's not what I want to see. It's not my plan. Let me read the chat. Previous monthly low was taken on a year. That's good, by the way. Yeah, major sell side was taken. Stocks dropping. Wait for some time. Yeah, I mean, I'm not in a rush. Besides, 80% already answered this question. You have to pay attention to everything. Once again, depends. If you trade only one strategy that you backtested many times, just wait for your strategy. Like, technically setup is here, continuation setup, but market open, don't like it. Because I want to see higher. I just would like to see fake move down before reversal. I'm interested in longs to New York midnight open on indices. Why I want to short this? I don't want to short this. Guys, I'm not shorting Payment OB, we didn't get sweep. I'm not shorting market when I want to see a retracement up. I'm looking for long opportunity. That's wild move up. Let's see if we took sell side on SPX. We took sell side on SPX price trying to reject. Ah, come on. Still good move, but I would try to get. Just pull back to this. Where do the swing? Over here? New York midnight open 80%, 88% chance to go there. So what I want to see, guys, I didn't want to see like this right at the open, but my key level New York midnight open. That's what I would like to see. Ideally to get in longs, but depends where setup will be presented. 15, 20, oh, stop it. 30-second chart. I'm not ready to trade 30-second chart. Did you enter like conversion? 15-second. What did you use for your entry? I never trust second charts. I don't even trust 1-minute chart. So come on, market, don't be shy. It's only 9:40, guys. We have lots of time. Maybe silver bullet will be our entry. Most of the time we take like trades between 10 and 11. Yeah, we trade sometimes 9:40, 9:50, but most of the time we trade silver bullet. I like this drop here. Let's see if it can continue. What about gold? Short-term loan. So you're talking about potential first stage of accumulation market maker buy model? You're talking about this intermediate low, right? Got it. But remember when we talk about like a transition from first stage to second stage of accumulation of market maker buy model, we need to get intermediate low, short-term low, fair value gap right after this. We don't have it yet as well. So just be careful. Market just opened. Give it some time. Maybe we have on 2-minute chart something. We don't have it. And I don't trade 1-minute chart, but we have fair value gap there. Let's see if it's going to break below this level. Our Judah sync will be in play, which I will like so much. Gold approaching my key level at daily OB at 5074. Hello guys. It's huge range today. 1 second, let me see. Ooh, with 1 micro you can like risk a lot. Yeah, we'll trade probably 2 micros today on gold. Range is big, so we don't want to risk a lot. So I will probably risk today on my 100k, 150k accounts like $500. That's what I was talking about. Silver is too heavy for longing gold. Just too heavy. With my 15-minute chart. I would like to see lower on silver to take sell side. How many points were away from major sell side on NQ? Do the swing can be to that level? NQ looks better probably for the trade, simply because ES is too heavy as well. Gold just trade down to daily OB. Is it fair value gap here? Small one. Small one, but still fair value gap. Come on. "30-second. I don't trade second charts, you know. I don't trade 1 minute chart as well." I will be patient. We just hit my key level on gold. Well. Never offered my setup. Alright. But I like this move down. This is what I was talking about longs. Be careful with them. Yes, 3-minute chart looks good. Let's see if it's going to form fair value gap. But I guess for now, we will probably take the trade on NQ, simply because it's just too heavy on ES. Crypto, not yet. We got fair value gap, we got sweep. Let's see if NQ is going to offer. Probably will trade off fair value gap on 3-minute chart on NQ if it's going to form fair value gap. Because on ES it just doesn't make any sense to trade ES. I hate to trade NQ, you know this, but sometimes we have no option. Unfortunately. $67.21 will be TP on ES. Yeah, if NQ probably it will not offer fair value gap. What's wrong with you? Never mind for now. No fair value gap. Keep waiting. Keep waiting, guys. Are you in shorts? Are you in long? Maybe you short in ES to 5050, which was our daily objective. Which not hit yet, by the way. I'm flat as well. I didn't take a single trade yet. Nicely chasing the fair value gap on ES, but structure on NQ. You know what I want to say? ES looks a bit more bearish compared to NQ. NQ looks a bit more bullish. So, keep waiting. Keep sitting on my butt and waiting for setup. Come on, Yevra, you can retrace as well for us, we don't mind. But after huge move during pre-market, we have big chance to see the chop. But still. Because I truly believe if NQ is going to offer shift in structure right now, it can be trade idea. Simply because we don't have structure on NQ yet, I don't want to engage on ES, but it can be potential trade idea once NQ confirms the structure. Not going to be in rush. Simply because ES looks way more bearish compared to NQ. DXY going to major high, but I want to see some sort of retracement down. But that's okay. Okay, hope to get set up, but if not, then it's okay. At least I'm going to follow my rules. YM keep dropping, so which validates idea. How big risk on NQ? 140 points. That's insane. All we can do is just trading one micro without taking partials. I mean shorts on NQ with one micro. Simply because it's huge risk. Don't want to risk $600. On ES this looks so good, but on NQ not yet. If it was in sync right now between ES and NQ, I would short ES. But since NQ just fighting with structure right now, it's still kind of bullish structure. We need to get this shift. And I have to sit on my hands. But structure on ES, so good. Sun should be okay. Okay, on NQ, what I'm talking about, what kind of structure I want to get closure below this level. So that's structure for shorts. Do we see structure for shorts right now? Unfortunately, no. That's annoying. I keep waiting. I'm okay to miss, but as long as the structure remains like this, I'm going to stay away. Got flat candle. So once again, let's talk about this. So we want to trade market when it's in sync, right? So what we can see, ES definitely looks good for shorts. YM definitely nice structure for short. But NQ keep failing to offer the structure. At this point, I have to wait for structure to be confirmed and I can try this. So this means you need to understand sometimes it's okay to miss a trade simply because you didn't get confirmation for this. You don't want to chase the move simply you see big down close candle. No. Right? Gold needs to drop a bit lower. Oh, it actually took my level. Approaching 50% of daily inversion fair value gap. Okay guys, let's focus right now on ES because ES looks good. And on NQ. NQ needs to close below this 503 on 5-minute chart. It will be short. If it's going to fail, we should sweep this level on NQ. First, like what I can see, we failed to close below this level. 30 seconds left. You just need to keep in mind, if right now 5-minute chart is going to close above this done close candle, it will take 613 immediately. Keep this in mind. You want to trade markets when they are in sync. Yes, and NQ are in sync. You want to trade this. Didn't close, okay. Don't like it. Still don't like it. I'm gonna wait for silver bullet. We got RCH test of major sell side. Oh, inside OT of old RTH gap on SPX. Well, not coincident. Look at SPX right now. SPX, if it's going to right now offer 5-minute OB or 3-minute OB, it will be long. And NQ will confirm this. Damn, come on. You want to get shift and structure on NQ so we can short this. So right now ES bearish, NQ not bearish, YM is bearish. NQ keep fighting this trend, which I don't like. Maybe if NQ offered the closure, I could short NQ. Gold just so crazy. But trying to reverse from my level. Come on, NQ, stop it. Stop it. I need to open SPX on my another screen because sometimes it really helps me. Silver bullet will depend how we're going to close on 5-minute chart on NQ. That's really the answer. How it's going to look. That's so crazy chop right now. This short on ES nice, but on NQ not yet. Not yet. Also keyword. Come on NQ, can you please do something? At least close below this level. If you want to go down, just stop these games. Come on. No? I mean, okay, I'm not going to argue with you, like, do whatever you want. I'm from Belarus, guys. What is this? What is this? Are you kidding me? What's wrong with you? You can do something. For example, close below this level, drop. What do you think about this? Trying. I probably will take the trade on MNQ if it's going to close. Come on, stop this. Just start trapping, for example. And Q preparing, so at this point probably makes sense to short in Q, not ES. Okay, 50 seconds left, we will see. I'm not in a rush. Damn, this consolidation. See, what the heck? I didn't use the 1 minute chart, so I would like to get confirmation like 3 or 5 minute chart. Well, we got closure finally, so at least we're in sync right now. We have first low, second low. Oh, it's 10 AM open actually. Do we have any news? 1 second. Forex Factory, gonna check. Guys, any news at 10 today? Oh, nothing today. We don't have any news? Okay, but let's see if we're going to trade something. I'm going to connect account. Tradify. Apex. So as you can see, I'm still flat. I didn't take a single trade yet. Still flat on the day. I'm gonna wait. Why am I? Okay. We got the test of. Okay, switch back. Okay. We got a test of OB. Sorry, guys. We got a test of OB and propulsion block. I use a Replikanto. Let's see how SPX is going to react right now. Do we have any SMT? Like, yeah, definitely we have one. One second. Don't fall. Where's my silver bullet? Market makers. I mean, maybe you can offer something? What about this? Thank you. Look how gold trying to respect our... Remember we talked about daily objective or weekly objective? 5050. Nice reaction, but no structure yet. Oh, damn. Come on. Offer setup. People waiting. I'm waiting. I feel it's going to be a... like fat W today, but first we need to get set up. High probability setup for this. Okay, DXY approaching liquidity level. Don't we yeah, you know what is going on SPX? We hit OT of old RTH gap. Like from December 17. So definitely we can fill this gap. Not this one. We can fill this gap, which is right at sell side. But preferably to get... Come on. Faster, faster. Well, preferably to get a reaction soon from this RTH gap. Either going to fill this gap or reaction from OT. I would like to see action back to 25%. But in order to long this, if by any reason you want to long reaction from OT of RTH gap that we got in December 17, you need to get 5 minute OB according to our setup, right? You started a trial period today with Replikanto. I use another third-party app and my position. So I am with Replikanto for 3 years. I bought this like 3 years ago. I have no complaints. I like it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try to help you with this. If you have questions how to set this up, also let me know. I have a video about this on my YouTube channel as well. So feel free to ask. Chris, thank you so much. Chris, you agree with me that NQ looks kind of strange for short, but YM and ES looks good for short? ES, not ES, NQ feels kind of strong with bullish bias, not bullish bias, short-term bullish bias. While NQ, not NQ, ES and YM looks way better for short. So would you sit on your hands simply because NQ shows more signs of bullishness? So guys, if you're going to have any questions with Replikanto, just let me know. TradeSynker, I have subscription with TradeSynker. So I like it, but I used to use Replikanto. I like it. It's for me. Once you see a yes and YM flip before the bounce, what you would like to see reaction from what level? Yes, Peter, we just need to get shift and structure to upside, fair value gap, we will try to long gold. So with gold you can trade Tradify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Funded Next Features. Right? Yes, I think so. YM is stronger right now, right? I'm still flat. I didn't take a single trade yet. And I feel like it's okay for me. You know, I don't feel FOMO or I don't feel like I missed something. I feel really good about this. Sometimes it's really bad, not bad, it's good to stay flat and take a trade. Because if I plan the trade, I can be okay to take this trade. But when I see setup, but it's like against my plan, I would rather to sit on my hands. Here's the propulsion block, and Q trying to respect this. It failed to close above 50% of propulsion block. But I don't expect to get like, you know, huge reversal looking at current structure. Guys, if you want to do live backtesting, I'm okay with this, but let me know how many people going to attend this. I'm perfectly fine to do live session with backtest that I test in the strategy, but my question is how many people are really interested in this? If it's going to be 100 people, so what's the point to do this? It's easier to record. I will do an X poll, so actually we can do this. Maybe it's going to be weekend, Sunday, Saturday. Guys, are you available on weekend? Maybe not this weekend, but overall, like Saturday or Sunday. It's okay for you? Because I believe it's going to be better than like doing work week. Yeah, I mean, probably it's easier to make a video, but if it's going to be a live session, it's going to be on YouTube as well. Like, mostly NQ and ES offers high or low of the week on Tuesday. Chris, share with me. I know where's MMXM only, by the way. I guess he was here before, but maybe he's busy with work. Because technically I can do during weekend for 2-3 hours. I just can ask my husband to go to hockey game instead of me. Like, he will go with my kids. So I will have like 3 hours. And we can do this for 3 hours. Or I can just record the video and you can watch this. It's up to you. It's also going to be like long video. But if it's going to be live session, probably we will have like, it will take more time simply because I'm going to answer questions. But once again, it's just backtest. I cannot like guarantee it's going to be 110% win rate. I'm just backtesting this. Saturday is like hockey day. We have ice skating, we have private classes, we have hockey. It's just like all day on Iceplex. But I can ask my husband to go there. And at this point, we can do this on Saturday. If not this Saturday, maybe next Saturday. But how many people really can attend on Saturday? Because it's like, let's say 2 p.m. from 2 to 5 p.m. Eastern time. Or it's easier to record, right? I cannot guarantee even 70%, unfortunately, guys. But let me know if you're interested in like Saturday or Sunday. One day we can do this. I'm fine, you know, like my reason, what I want to do, I don't want to take like and show you like, oh my god, look, it's win, 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 win. I just would like to show you what I'm backtesting in additional entry. So far it gives me 63% win rate. Not a lot, but not bad, right? It's not yet 1 hour. Okay, guys, we're still sitting on our hands. Look at in queue, just... I call this perfect garbage. You can call this whatever you like, but... What is this? You know what is annoying? Market makers know, it's a joke, just saying. Market makers know I will not be able to stream PM session today, and they will offer textbook setup during PM session. Why? Because it's live. It's like my luck. But guys, if you're new on my channel, I do AM and PM session streams. Yesterday we took long on ES during AM session and nice textbook long on gold during PM session. So I try to take at least one trade during stream. Really doing my best if I see setup. Right now, unfortunately, we have just not going to comment this. But I will try to find setup in the next 1 hour, I promise. Come on. Come on. CL, oh yeah, let's take a look at CL. Yeah, futures, what are you doing with us? Like, real question. Why? So what is your question about CL? Look at this. It's a weekly chart. We're inside 3 years consolidation. And I'm not even kidding. Probably we're going to take top of consolidation today or tomorrow, probably this week, and price will reject again. So how it's going to look, let me show you. It can be something like this. Oops. Will not be surprised to see this. It's really shit price action right now. And unfortunately, it's even on gold, like just straight down. Annoying. But in Q, it's just something special right now. So my bias was Judas swing to downside, exactly what we got on ES, then long on ES to New York midnight open, short from New York midnight open. On NQ, hard to say, but on ES it was my plan. Judas swing, potential 30-minute hourly sweep, long to New York midnight open London high, somewhere there, with partial at weekly open, and potential short from New York midnight open. Do you trade oil? Not often, but 2 years ago it was like my main asset. Since it's just consolidation, I prefer to stay away. I believe yes, and gold offers more opportunities. It's my opinion. So let's plan the trade, potential trade. If yes, right now, not right now, but within the next 15 minutes, is going to close above this level, will form fair value, the P will try to long probably. SPX will confirm idea. Let's get the closure above this level, so it will be first potential long, if we're going to get the closure, and I will give it a try. I trade gold 99.9% of the time. But once again, if you're new on my channel, I'm going to give you like tips and tricks from Dasha. If gold inside consolidation, trade indices. It's going to be trend. And it's going to be textbook setups there. If our indices are inside consolidation, trade gold. Gold will offer nice trend, nice textbook setups. Right now, poof, indices inside consolidation, gold inside like minor consolidation. So we're waiting for either gold to break below or above consolidation or indices to do this. And we'll trade this. $6E just scam because I'm kidding, but what I mean is it just dropped to TP without offering the structure because I wanted to short from here. Well, have to stay away. Gold trying to break below consolidation, so it might be expansion, consolidation, expansion. We hit higher from level, retracement. We will trade retracement. Why I stopped trading oil? That's a great question. I'm going to show you right now. Because of this. Because of 3 years consolidation. Yeah, I trade only one strategy, guys. Yes. Nothing else. Damn, this is just so slow. Oh yeah, I have this on my YouTube. 1 second. Guys, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, I'm doing giveaways every single day at 11 AM. Today it's going to be 50k flex. Where's my flex evaluations from Lucid? 100? That's a lot. Here's the video, guys. For giveaway, of course. Of course. It's not a problem. Here's the link for giveaway, guys, if you want to participate. 3 links are the same links, just in case. I'm flat still. I didn't take a single trade yet. So we took minor low. At least we don't have SMT anymore. Gold trying to stay inside this daily OB so far and daily inversion for a while gap. That's strange, we don't have reaction yet. Keep waiting, guys. No, they offer you all data. When you buy any valuation accounts, they offer trade away data, ninja trader data, so don't worry about this. This week is manipulation. It's first week of the month, so technically it can be manipulation, right? I don't trade 1 minute chart on gold, as well as I don't trade 2 minute chart on gold, 3 or 5. Good job, good job. Here's setup, by the way. This setup is based on strategy I'm backtesting right now. So just for your information. 2R is going to be here. So that's strategy I'm backtesting. That's why I put this on my chart to see if it's going to play out or not. Only yes, because I test this on gold. And we need to aim for 2R only. Where's my 2R? 2R is here. It's fair value gap entry. Yeah. But I will show you backtest. I will show you all trades. But once again, I test this on gold. But because I created session for gold, I don't want to create another session for a yes. You can do this for a yes, and just let me know. No. It was just forward testing. Was just forward testing. I would show you if I took this, so I don't hide trades. Probably I will wait for daily volume imbalance to be hit. Probably will wait for the retracement, which I will trade. Don't feel bad about this. Nice, like forward testing, because that's exactly what I'm back testing right now. Not right now, like this week. MMXM, hello, where were you? You were shy because you just subscribed to my Twitter today? Mind to explain? I was like, what is going on? What is going on? Right? I was like, this morning I see, MXM only like started following you. I was like, well, okay, taking notes. Yeah, you missed nothing. It's good, probably. All we did just look for the short, which I didn't take. So far, that's it. Silver bullet entry, it was chop, so I don't see any. So right now, what can happen? Probably we're going to test daily volume imbalance. We're approaching sell side here, but major sell side on NQ is still lower at 236. Keep waiting. We got the closure below this low here. Yeah, definitely it was validation of shorts. But once again, overall chop was like, no thank you. It's true, I don't know. We're just traders. It doesn't matter if you're girl or boy. We're just traders. It's equal game, if you can say so. It's equal game. Guys, hit the like. Lots of giveaways this week. Lots of good giveaways this week. I would say it also depends on woman. That's why I said we don't want to trust data. It's fine. See, even with 88% chance to hit New York midnight open, we just running away from this level. That's what I was talking about. Daily inversion, I don't remember, I have this level for a long time. This one. And we hit daily OB as well. We did not hit 50%, but we hit a daily order block. My daily weekly objective was 5050. It was my daily target. So plan is, if it's going to offer fair value gap at the break above the swing high, it will be long from fair value gap. I don't know where fair value gap is going to be. Need to get fair value gap and closure above this level. We can get 30 minutes simply test of 3-minute OB. Long. To internal high. Hey Leah, hello, hello, how are you today? Click the like. Guys, don't be shy. When will you touch me? Please. I want to be touched. MMXM only. I took 0 trades on my funded accounts today. I took only one trade on my personal account last night for 30 points with 3 mini contracts. That's it. That's what I did. But nothing unfunded. Monthly sell side. I mean, you know, nothing surprised me anymore. We're approaching this monthly sell side by the way on Q, but not on yes, like way below this level. Oh, TradeView. I took like, I don't remember. I swing this short yesterday, and I just turned off my I just logged out from my TradeView. I took this on my phone. I trade on stream. I would say 95% trade that I take on stream. Sometimes it's off stream if it's like early in the morning, because I cannot stream like or late in the night, like 11 p.m. for example. For now, I'm not on trade. If I'm on trade, you're gonna see this. I always show my executions if I'm trade on stream. Gold inside daily OB. Where you trade, I mean here, on this channel. Yeah, that's insane. We still below 10 open, so I would say per section only yes, they were okay. At least predictable. Ignoring NQ, we could take short on yes, but NQ really like it was confusing to me. On gold, that's potential setup I expect to get. We almost hit 3 minute OB. Oh, actually, we hit this. Never mind. Still below 10 AM open, so let's see if it's going to stay below this level. Probably it will be continuation lower, take this daily volume imbalance. Let's see gold. Gonna wait. Also with 50% of this 3-minute fair value gap. MGC. I'm gonna highlight same level on MGC simply because sometimes we can see the closure on gold, but no closure on micro gold. So I'm gonna wait there as well. I don't really have time right now to trade at 8:30 AM, unfortunately. I wish I had time, but my schedule a little bit changed. That's why I don't trade this. But it's good, you know, from the other side, I can trade, I can take all my trades on stream. Right? It's good at this point. This potential immediate rebalance. Keeping my eyes on gold. So let's see if ES wants to retest and I'm open, because NQ way below this level right now. I did not enter long on gold simply because it's not what I want to see yet. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to say sorry because sometimes it's going to be like this. We just have to sit and wait for setup. Sometimes it's going to be like this. I know we all waiting for setup. I also want to get the trade, but sometimes we just have to be patient, and patience always pays, right? So that's why, guys, no rush. It's okay. It's okay to miss if your idea not presented. Here's 10 open retest. Pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. My setup on gold is going to be break above this level, closure, the test of potential fair value gap. I don't know where this fair value gap is going to be. Somewhere here, long, stop loss swing low. I'm going to aim for probably just 2R. So we will see. I will adjust this. Also, let's see if it's going to break min threshold of this OB. Also important. Let's highlight entire range. Guys, if you see just trading view, don't see ninja trader, this means I'm not in trade. How many points? 50 points. We will trade with one micro, it's okay. I hope we're going to reduce this risk, but I know, sorry about this. Now we need to get break of structure. Only after this you want to see fair value gap retracement long. Make sense? That's what I'm going to trade. Yeah, MMXM only. I need to make $400 to pass 5 Lucid accounts because I'm $400 away. Thank you, guys. Long on gold will be possible for me if it's going to break above this level. I hope it's going to form fair value gap, if not on 3-minute chart, maybe on 5. Maybe on 5, yeah. Retracement long. Let's see if it's going to retest 67.48. Okay, maybe gold will be a better option for us. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Same exact idea for SPX and ES. We're breaking above high, we'll adjust to fair value gap, we will long, to 25% of RTH gap. I have no idea what target is going to be on ES. I will just use level on SPX. So, not going to aim for like certain level on ES. Let me open SPX somewhere because it's really hard to jump between screens. Okay, I opened SPX. Let's see. So we tested 10 AM open. Where's my pointer? NQ approaching this level. Let's see. Come on, if you're going to break this level, it will offer break above a swing high, it will be nice long. So at least new high of the day. Over here, right? Quick check of YM. Yeah, YM also doing good job. Come on, baby. Maybe it's time to trade soon. My target on gold, I don't know yet. It will be, I don't know yet. 51.40? No setup for this yet. Still inside 3 minute OB, still rejection from 10 AM open. Which is annoying because we did not test 50% yet. SPX, I need SPX on 5. What this means? This means we're still inside bearish trend, right? Nothing changed. We're still inside bearish trend. As long as we're sitting below 10 AM open, we don't have shift in structure. That's important. So rejection from 10 AM open, that's actually a good rejection. Unfortunately, did not hit 50%. Exactly same setup that we got yesterday for long. So if it's going to hit 50%, it can be continuation setup if it's not going to close above this level. So it will be sweep, we will trade 3 minute OB, yeah, we will short lower to new low of the day. I mean, yeah, I'm okay to short. My key level just was taken already on ES, but I may actually short to daily volume imbalance, it's fine. It's not even a problem for me. And I will actually take it. I think so. Don't really like rejection here, but let me see 1 second. Maybe if I want to consider just bodies. Come on. Yeah, maybe I will just use bodies. How big range? 13 points. It's okay. Looks good to me. I may actually try soon. So propulsion block will be closure below this level. It's exactly the same setup yesterday we took for longs. Exactly the same setup. But we didn't get propulsion block yet. See? Propulsion block is going to be a closure above this level. Propulsion block. And if we took long yesterday, we will take short at this point. We're gonna see. It did not close, right? No. But we close to non-Q. So let's imagine it closed. I will put my stop loss at 50% of this big wick, and I will aim for something like this. So why I would like to put my stop loss at 50%? Simply because I want to give this bigger room for retracement. Let's see if it's going to close. See? No closure. Damn, it's annoying because I took nothing today. But we got the closure on micro. You see that, guys? We didn't get this closure on ES. Damn, that's annoying. But we got the closure on NQ as well. How many points risk? 22 points for micros. It's like $400 risk. I need to make $400. I don't want to risk $400. Because if I'm going to make $400, I'm going to pass lucid accounts. And I'm going to have extra 5 funded accounts. It's going to be lots of funded accounts at this point. Gold setup not valid yet. 10:47. It's time for the trade. I don't care how much time it takes to pass evaluations. I usually copy with funded accounts. I believe this evals, 100k evals, took me like almost 3 weeks. I think so, 3 weeks, yeah. Two minutes left, more than 2 minutes left on this candle. Oh damn, come on. Oh. So basically liquidity sweep. Yeah. Lots of different names of this model. I'm not going to even argue about this. Because if it's going to close, I can give them a try. I cannot wait to trade simply because I hate to waste my life sitting and waiting like for 3 hours. When you don't think you need to pass evaluation, when I don't think I need to pass a vals, I don't force this, I really pass this fast. I don't know why. I need to make $400, which means with 4 micros I need to make 20 points, 21 points to have like extra. Let's see. Looking for short probably here. The short. I may actually trade just lucid accounts. Just to, if I'm going to pass this, it's going to be nice. Let's see. 14 seconds left. Crypto name? What do you mean? Just got the closure. We just got the closure here. I mean, let me switch on 5-minute chart. We got the closure on micro ES, we got the closure on ES. Check SPX, I kind of like it. So for micros, I need to make 22 points. But risk is going to be 20 points. Okay, we will see. Gold? Look at gold, guys. We got the closure. So I'm looking on ES, but I'm also going to keep my eyes on gold because I like it. Gold offering exactly what I wanted. Yeah, I like gold as well. Maybe we'll take gold. Maybe we'll take ES. On gold, 40-point stop loss. If I'm in trade, I will show you immediately, guys. Never copy me, but in case you want this, just wait when I show this Ninja Trader, but it's not financial advice, once again. Retest. Quick note, guys, I will trade just 5 lucid accounts to pass them. That's it. I'm not going to trade my... Just before I enter the trade, I'm just going to let you know, I'm not trading funded accounts. I need to make $400 to pass these accounts. Or I'm going to lose like $400. And I need to make at this point $800 to pass. Which is also like annoying, because it takes so much time sometimes when it's so close. I think... Lucid Black, yes. I have 5 Lucid Black accounts because I blew my direct accounts 3 weeks ago. And I bought like Lucid Black immediately. Closer to passing accounts, harder it's really to pass them. I don't know why. Why it's so hard. I guess it's not only my issue. I'm looking for this short, but on evaluations only. This short. It's already too late, it's already almost 11, but I will take this probably on evaluations. This setup, probably. Or long on gold, because I can trade on lucid gold. Unfortunately, on gold, we don't have fair value gap, which I want to use for entry. 2-minute chart. 3-minute chart. Five-minute chart. Let's see, it's still inside consolidation, but NQ shows signs of continuation. 1 second. YM. YM as well as on ES rejected from 10 AM open. So this means it's not valid structure right now. On 15-minute chart. Actually, I don't need 15-minute chart. On 1-hour chart. Let's see if we have level that we did not test on YM. Was it OTM? Was it OT here? That's the issue. It's okay. That's so annoying because I didn't take a single trade yet. Guys, I'm not going to trade PM session, so if I'm not going to enter this right now, I'm going to pause this account tomorrow with you. I just don't want to trade off stream. I'm not in this trade right now. I don't want to trade off stream because I promised you to take trades on stream. Haki, my husband asked me to help with his work after stream. I just don't want to give you low probability setup simply because I need to execute. It's not what I'm going to do because how my stream actually built, guys. You know, most streamers just trying to take losing trades, so you're going to use their codes to reset and blah blah blah. My idea is to take good trades so you can take payouts instead of losing your account. That's why I don't want to give you just BS setup simply because we need to take some sort of trade, right? It's not what I want to do. If I want to take BS setups, I will take this off stream. So you will not see this. Zero trades taken. And that's extremely annoying, but this is how I just want to trade this. Gold long, yes, I agree with you. Right now, we need to see the retracement to fair value gap, and it will be long. But since I promised to take trades on stream, I can stream longer in case gold is going to retrace. And that's it. When I see it's BS setup, I'm really struggling to take this trade. Oh yeah, giveaway in 5 minutes, guys. My husband, I'm so sorry. I am with him for 10 years. Winners will be announced in 5 minutes, guys. Once again, I just don't want to give you BS setups because right now it's kind of BS. And I don't want to force the trade at this point. Let's see. Maybe gold will just offer the retracement down and we will take it. At least it looks way better. I will do giveaway Lucid accounts for giveaway today. Oh, by the way, guys, you have... What time is this right now? It's 11. You have 5 more minutes to enter giveaways, since it's going to be active next 5 minutes. Yeah, my task is to show you good trading, not like gambling or something like this. My alarm set at 11:11. Because my task is for you to make payouts, not reset your accounts. So if you ask me if I'm in trade or not, just wait when I show you my Ninja Trader, then you will see if I'm in trade or not. I don't hide my trades. If it's not on stream, sometimes I trade, but I don't hide my trade. Just wait for me to show you Ninja Trader. This means I executed this. I already had like this kind of habit I need to execute simply because I'm on stream and I really was forcing my trades and it was losses. Instead of taking losses, just let's wait for high probability conditions to enter the trade. And yeah, we trade almost every single day. I would say we trade probably 5-6, we take 5-6 trades like during the week. Sometimes it's every single day, sometimes it's 2 times a day as we got yesterday. For now, just no trades, which is, I would say, fine. Unfortunately, I will not be able to stream PM session, so we could take something there. No, long above New York midnight open, SPX needs to validate this entry by breaking above this level. Also important to know this. Why you lie YouTube? Are you kidding me? I buy my accounts. 90% of my accounts was paid by my card. All activation fee, everything. I pay for everything. Why are you saying I'm lying if you cannot even prove this? Why I'm saying 90%? Because when prop firms give me accounts, I don't even trade them. I give these accounts to you. And I am bad at this point? Because I'm giving accounts that I can trade for free to you? No. Because I can afford to buy accounts. This year I blew 5 funded, 5 evals, 10 accounts. This year. Looks good here. Yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to be clear about this. Yes, I have accounts that some prop shops gives me, but I never trade them. I give these accounts to you. That's it. Yeah, I just shared like I blew 10 lucid accounts, 5 evals, 5 150k flex evaluations, and I blew 5 lucid direct accounts 3 weeks ago. Oh, we're breaking above this level. I like it. Let's look real quick giveaway, and we will probably continue looking for setup here. I'm just going to be clear about this. Speak Russian? Stop it, I know this, right? Let's be clear about this. I have haters, and 99% of my haters speak Russian. 99% of my trades speak Russian. I cannot even explain why. I cannot even explain why. But Russian-speaking people hating me so much. Why, guys? Why, guys? Why are you so rude to me? I mean, I get lots of hates like under my videos on Twitter posts. First winner, by the way, from Russian-speaking people. I don't remember when someone like from US hating me. I don't remember these days, or like other people, but Russian-speaking people. I don't know why. And if someone said like, if I'm lying, probably it was Russian-speaking people. Do we have winner here? Yay! You won Lucy at 50k flex. Last one, best one, yes. No, I just want to be, you know, guys, you like family. I always share everything that is going on in my life. It's interesting. Do we have next winner? I cannot. It's hard to pronounce. We have two winners. Congratulations. It was fast today. Thank you, guys. Respect this. Gold pushing hard. Look at SPX, guys. We're about to get the closure. The test of 5 minute fair value will be entry for long. We will aim for 25% of our TH gap. So normally I do like 2 during PM session, 2 during AM session. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Ow. Ow. I mean, sometimes yes can be hard. Sometimes it's going to be easy. We got the closure here. It's really volatile. Long on gold, yeah, I mean, I really want to get this, but my idea was we closing above, retracing to fair value gap, get in longs. Because that strategy I backtest. The only issue with this, it never offered a strategy. But who are we to give up? We will trade continuation, of course. So guys, my plan will be, if it's going to stay above this level, above mean threshold of this OB that we broke, it will be long to New York midnight open as final target. Partial will be 25% of our TH gap. Let me calculate this like 30 points from where we are right now. It will be here. Partial at, I don't know what exact level, probably 6,800. I can actually do live session with backtesting. But I'm not sure how many people are going to attend this. Just let me know if you're interested in this. I can do live session. Because I backtest and I'm okay to show this. But what I'm doing, you can hate me for this as well. I do without without bias. Because it's interesting how many setups we can get without bias. And I tested 50 trades in November 2025. I took this like 2 days ago. And I got some trades during February. So, without bias. It doesn't mean you need to trade without bias as well, but let's see how many trades we can get without the bias. I can do like, guys, let me know if you're available like any Saturday. Type 1 in the chat if you're okay on Saturday. Type 2 in the chat if weekend not going to work for you. 1 if yes, 2 if it's not going to work for you. Let's see. Mostly once. It will be recorded. It will be here on YouTube. It will be recorded so you can rewatch this. But probably it's going to be a long video, like 3 hours. Because if people are interested in Saturday, I can ask my husband to spend time with kids because we're going to have ice skating, private class, hockey. So I will have 3-4 hours. If you're done, guys, we can definitely do this. Lots of ones. I like it. Let me show you what I'm doing. We will continue doing this as well. It doesn't really matter if I'm doing this alone or not. So once again, I'm backtesting this strategy. I have no idea if it's going to be like 70% win rate. Let me show you. But so far, where is this? We'll continue doing this session, I guess. So far with 3 micros, oops, it's so close to my face. So far with 3 micros, I took 49 trades. It was November 2025. Only like last day of month offered 0 setups. I know why, but offered 0 setups. And it gives me 65% win rate, like 32 winners, 17 losses. So what this means, yes, it's not 2R because I want to enter off fair value gap. I'm going to show you right now example of executions, but we are not going to always trace to fair value gap. So what I'm going to do, it's going to be on gold only, guys, because I created a session for gold. We need to complete this. So we will do for any Saturday. We're going to do December, January, we're going to test February. So we're going to collect 3 months data. So if for 1 month's data, we got 49 trades, we're gonna get around like 150, 200 trades. So we can work with this information. So idea of setup. It was presented today on ES. For example, it was presented yesterday on gold. We discussed this as well. It's presenting right now, not really on gold, simply because we don't have fair value gap. But let's take a look. One second. Leave. Start new. Yeah. For example, how it's supposed to look. That's why I choose a setup just to show you. Let's switch on micro. Yes, I have no levels there. So idea is to have potential sweep on 30-minute chart. Our checklist. It's important. Once again, without bias. It does not mean you need to trade without bias. It just as example. 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, 3-minute fair value gap. Very first one. After we got sweep. So what do I mean by this? See the sweep, guys? Type 1 in the chat if you clearly can see sweep over here. Everyone can see sweep here. I'm talking about strategy and backtesting. So far I have 65% win rate. Okay, we have sweep here. In order to confirm sweep, we need to get 3-minute OB. Everyone knows this. We traded for 1 year. Nothing changed. But let's say, by any reason, I miss this entry. Sometimes it's happening, like, unfortunately. So what is idea? We're going to wait for 3-minute fair value gap. The very first 3-minute fair value gap after we got sweep. Sometimes it's going to be within this order block, but most of the time it's outside. Here's our fair value gap. So you saw my average win to last trade. It's less than 2R. Over here, you can see this, right? Which means ideally I want to position myself once we got fair value gap. So basically at the bottom of fair value gap, stop loss is going to be here. I'm going to aim for 2R. So ideal setup is 2R. But since not always we're going to get this retracement, I tell this with 3 micros only. What will happen if I can enter small size? Once again, most of the time it's going to be around like 1 hour, sometimes more. But what will happen if I'm going to enter like at the open of next candle once we got OB, and I'm going to put my limit order here once price retraces to this level. So I usually risk $200. So I'm going to adjust my contract size accordingly, and I put limit sell at the bottom of this fair value gap. Did we test this fair value gap? Today, yes. So I want to add to my position, and I'm going to aim for 2R of original entry where I had to enter, not from where I entered. Since we retraced, then price just dropped. This is exactly what I'm testing. As example on backtest. This trade offered. How to see what's the risk reward on this trade? Oh, 1.8. Let me hide the camera for 1 second to show you. So this setup offered 1.8 R. See? So example. It was on 3-minute chart. So we got sweep. Let me hide this. I don't need this. We got sweep on 30-minute chart, right? On gold. See fair value gap. Fair value gap was formed once we got the closure of this candle. So I want to position myself at the open of next candle, or I can put limit order at the retest of this fair value gap. My stop loss is going to be swing low. I'm going to aim for 2R off from fair value gap, not from where I entered. And I'm going to aim for 2R, like example. This is what I'm testing, guys. This is what we're going to continue testing together. If you want, if you're interested in this, we can do this together. One of Saturdays. If you're done for this, we can do this together. Just let me know. So this strategy gives me 65% win rate. Once again, it doesn't work always, but it's additional entry to our sweep model. 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Okay, let's say we miss this. We're going to enter off another confirmation. For example, we got this here. That's why I show this in real time today. I would take this. You know what was the problem? NQ. NQ was the problem. Two are from fair value gap, which means ideally, let me show you on gold. Yesterday was perfect example of this. Yesterday was Monday. It was. Who remember what time it was? Because I don't remember. It was yesterday. Okay, let me see. I don't remember what time it was. Let me add more candles. I will show you another example. You can backtest this right now, like as well. I gave you like structure. I'm going to show you what this means. 2R from fair value gap. See, we got sweep. Also, we saw this in real time yesterday. Sweep was confirmed by 3-minute OB, right? Here's our 3-minute order block. Let's try to find the very first fair value gap after we got sweep. We don't have any here. We got one here, right? So you want to place your 2R at the bottom of this fair value gap, since it's bearish fair value gap, and you want to aim for 2R. 2Rs here. But once again, since not always we're going to get retracement to fair value gap, this is what I'm testing. I'm going to position myself once we got fair value gap at this level. At the open of next candle, once we got third candle closure, so fair value gap formed. From here, my stop loss is going to be here, and I'm going to aim for 2R, not from where I entered, but from where I had to enter. Today gold did this, but it did not offer fair value gap. It was annoying. For short maybe, but for long, it failed. And yesterday this is play out. Let's check if you got this today. Let's see, maybe we got this like just early in the morning. Order block is perfectly fine. I personally use order block. I'm saying I don't. Sometimes I just skip this. I just miss this. I didn't see this. Let's say I want to find another entry. No. I still trade this. See, we didn't get sweep here, so I didn't miss this. See, we got here. This is exactly why, since fair value gap, see why I drew this fair value gap here? Simply because I wanted to get fair value gap to try the setup in real time. So we got order block, amazing, right? I drew this fair value gap for a reason, because I wanted to get this setup. See, it just, oh, actually, it offered fair value gap here. Are you kidding me? Yes, you're right, it's my fault. Actually, it offered to R. I didn't see this, I'm not going to lie. How I miss this? But once again, you want to wait for order block. Your entry could be here, for example, not from there. Did it reach TP? Who knows? It could be 1 hour, let's see. Oh, look where we're stuck right now. That's insane. No, we will see. Maybe we'll take another trade. Another trade. First trade. Yeah, I need to use fair value gap probably. Indicator. How I miss this and no one told me. It's your fault, guys. It's your fault, of course. I'm kidding. But yeah, it's like examples. This is exactly what I'm testing, guys. See, all trades here taken based on one setup. We can look for another example from what I took. Like one trade. Let's see what I took here. It was what I took here. Oh, I took long. Let's see why I took long. I don't remember. Ah, I see. Okay, got it. So we got sweep, probably, which I cannot show you. We got fair value gap here. Probably I didn't take this additional simply because it was big stop loss for me. See, I don't remember. So I entered a retest, but my 2R, let's see if I'm right because I don't remember. And 2R is here. And this is what I took. Yeah, see, I took this setup. Makes sense right now. We got sweep. See, probably it was just big risk, like less than 1 hour trade. I was waiting for the tracement. Yeah, probably. I don't remember already. My stop loss was swing low. I was aiming for 2R. Here is the setup. Yes, as I said before, sometimes fair value gap going to be with an OB. And at this point, you need to wait for order block formation first. Make sense? This is what I'm testing, guys. And so far, it looks so good. I started testing this. It's TradeZella. If you don't mind, guys, to do on Saturday, one of Saturday, we can continue backtesting together. Because, once again, this 50 trade that I took in November, it was without bias. It works from 8 AM to 4 PM. So technically, you can trade pre-market. Yes. Two-minute time frame. What you want to see? So what did you see here? You were trying to long? Long of what level? Guys, any questions about this additional entry for a 30-minute sweep model? Woohoo! I'm happy for you. Really hard if you miss this. Really hard to say if you miss this. But damn, it was good. It's exactly what we wanted to hear. Damn. So guys, you can continue backtesting this without me if you want. Did I announce winners? I guess so. end soon because I need to help my husband with his work. He didn't send me a message, this means I can still stream. Right to review? No, nowhere. She lost, guys? MXM only, why you lying? I didn't take a single trade yet. So I don't know about inversion fair value because I did not test this. Only yes. Look at SPX. SPX approaching 25% from sell side. Looks good to me. So let's see minor retracement. But yeah, I would like to see higher. Partial will be at 6,800, but please retrace. Just saying. I mean, it's not financial advice, but I show you 95% of my trades. I mean, I'm doing my best to show you my executions. I mean, sorry guys, today like nothing. Painful, but it is what it is. So, I was talking with my husband about this yesterday because I feel like sometimes I hate what I'm doing, but at the same time I love it. And when I take a break from like streaming or trading, I feel it's getting worse. So, of course I'm struggling from time to time. But yeah. Streaming really helps me from overtrading and discipline, because when people watch me, like 1,000 people watching me, I feel I'm more disciplined. I'm not going to take stupid trades. But when hate to laugh, right? And love to hate, exactly. But when I off stream, I can overtrade. I'm not going to lie. This is how I blew my Lucid accounts 3 weeks ago, simply because I was like, phew, I'm queen of price action. Let me actually try to trade silver. Just 2 makers on Lucid accounts. It's not going to be bad. What is going to happen? Daily loss limit. Perfect. Next day. Daily loss limit. Perfect. Then goodbye, accounts. See you next time. So, that's why I'm streaming PM sessions, because I sit in front of my computer and I know I trade. But yeah, this year I blew 10 accounts, 5 evals, 5 funded. With Lucid only, so far. Because someone asked me how many accounts were blown this year. 10. I don't know if it's bad or not, but had to get new Lucid accounts to trade them again. Continuation point on gold? I will finish in 10 minutes, guys. If he is going to retrace right now, I will enter the trade to show you. If it's not going to retrace, I will just finish in 10 minutes. And we will switch. I will stream tomorrow, because this PM session... If you're new on my channel, guys, I stream both AM session and PM session, but not today, simply because I need to help my husband. That's why I will not be able to stream. But normally, according to normal schedule, my streams from 9 to 11, from 12:30 to 2:30 PM. Yeah, like trader weight. It's your connection. You want to get trader weight or me connection? I would go with trader weight probably. I have more trust. For continuation, actually, it's valid setup here. I'm just looking if it's going to retrace to fair value gap. So the test of this support right now. And boom, to 6,800. Thank you guys. I mean, I'm trying to do my best, but today it's not going to be the day when I'm going to stream PM session. But maybe I will stream tomorrow longer. Maybe I will do more giveaways tomorrow at this point. Yeah, especially with Replikanto, when you're trying to copy, like, on NinjaTrader, you can have only one rhythmic connection and as many as you want trade away. I'm like, no thanks. Let me extend this line. Gold like frozen, right? Stuck. Barely moving. But it was nice here, right? Nice move here. Apex has rhythmic, Apex has trade away, but Apex added end of the day drawdown. Finally. No, I didn't take a trade today. I know it sounds wild, but I didn't take a single trade today. It's so painful. I was looking for pullback, yes. Let's see if it's going to support, hold the support, and at this point it's going to be continuation. It's up to... one second. It's right now the sale is 85% off. 100... Which account you want to get 100k? I'm gonna check for you right now. I believe it's not expensive. 100k account for rhythmic? Try to use a code. It says $198, but you need to use code to save. If you want to support the channel, guys, you can use code LUMIA. It will give you up to 85% off on Apex accounts, 50% off on Lucid accounts, and 30% off on Tradify accounts. And this model? No, I use 30-minute sweep. Thank you so much, guys, for support. I use 30-minute liquidity sweep. I'm just trying to keep this simple. If 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Sometimes I use hourly sweep and 5-minute OB, but like I prefer 30-minute chart. No, Tanya, you want to wait for 3-minute fair value gap and you're going to enter this level. Love you guys. Thank you so much for support. I really appreciate this. So guys, any other questions? My idea will be if ES, I'm not going to trade this probably because I don't want to execute off stream, but idea will be if it's going to retrace to the support, will not break this level, it will be moved towards 6,800 and final TP will be New York midnight open. Make sense? That's what I'm going to watch today. Love you guys. My husband sent me a message. We need to go and work. I need to just help him to fill some information on computer. So I will see you tomorrow at 9 AM, as well as I will see you tomorrow during PM session, 2 sessions tomorrow. I don't trade with my funded futures. Love you guys. Thank you for support. Thank you for likes and subscription. I really appreciate this. And once again, wish you perfect the rest of your day. Wait for setup. Don't make stupid mistakes. Once again, if you have model, just follow your model. Once again, don't overtrade. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. 2 times tomorrow. See you guys. Love you.